Hey everyone, welcome to PressTube. Now today I'm gonna melt some real silver. These are silver pearls and I'm gonna melt them and then I'm gonna cast them into these little ingots. And I'm gonna do some silver casting in the future. If you have any ideas which I should cast in silver, let me know in the comments below, guys. Okay, I have this little furnace here. It will melt the silver in under 10 minutes. If you're curious where I got it, I will also provide a link in the description below. So yeah, let's get started. First I'm gonna fill up this little crucible with the silver pearls and then I'm gonna put it in the furnace. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the crucible is full of silver now. Now it's time to fire up the furnace, guys. Okay, now let's turn off the furnace. Take out the crucible and then pour it into this little ingot. It's very hot, as you can see. And now let's pour it into this ingot. Like this. Okay guys, I have waited a couple of minutes and the silver has solidified completely, so if I turn over this ingot now, we should have a nice silver bar, as you can see. I'm gonna try and show it to you. I'm gonna grab it with these tongs because the silver is still too hot to touch with my hands. So here you go, guys. This is pure silver. So if you have any ideas which I should do with this in the future or in the next videos, let me know in the comments below and I will make it happen, guys. I have a few ideas of my own and yeah, I will certainly do some silver casting on this channel in the future. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up and see you in one of the next videos. Bye bye!